What's going on, everybody? Kwaku here, back with another brief quick unboxing video. I said on Twitter a couple months back that I was looking into getting new glasses because my old ones actually broke. These glasses that I got are smart glasses, actually. Well, smart, because really what they do is they let you be able to do calls. They're basically Bluetooth glasses, let you do calls, listen to music, kind of like bone conduction. And then apparently they have some notification type system. The glasses are from Vueglasses online. They're about, I think I paid about $199 for them or $149 for them. It's a prescription pair. So let's take a look at the unboxing and test it out. All right, so here it is. This is pretty much the garbage that it came in. This green wrapping came all the way from China apparently, but it is not a Chinese-based company. So going through, you gotta just have this simple pull tab right here. All the glorious pulling things. I don't do unboxings too much, but nice presentation so far. And here it is right there. Maybe the sun is probably in the way. Your better everyday starts today. View, nothing else. All right, so these are the Vueglasses. These glasses are in fact the Cygnus type. It's a new type that came out in just recently. So this is your presentation. It's pretty simple. Like, it looks like climate friendly box right here. Opening it up, it's very nice. Now these do use USB Type-C to charge the case. This is a carrying pouch, and I believe these have the glasses inside. We'll get to these glasses in a second. Just put them aside. Now it's a carrying pouch. It's one of those types that kind of auto closes on itself, just like that. So it's like got some kind of thing there. And then you got more stuff inside. It's this charging cable, and this is your quick start guide. Take a look at the quick start guide. It's kind of a big area for a quick start guide. It looks like you got a little cleaning pouch with the View logo on it. And put that aside too. You got your View Lite, which is what they are. They're not the View Pros or the old ones. You can charge your View Lite, warranty, safety stuff. And then you got your charging cable, which I won't even really take out. Actually, you know what? I do have to take out. So here's the charging cable for the glasses. And yeah, that's about it. There's not much left with that. And that's it. Now, the star of the show, the glasses themselves. Now, these are the Cygnus glasses. I thought they came with a case. Looks like they didn't. These are prescription glasses right there. They're very clean looking. I hope the prescription is good, and I hope it is charged. And it does say right here, in fact, if I open it up, it does say right here, I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up on camera. It says right here, this is a touch area. It says touch panel right there and touch panel on that side too. So they are touch enabled. There's nothing that goes on with the lens themselves, but they are general touch enabled. And you just store them in this pouch here, which I thought they came with a charging case, but I guess not. You got your normal USB charging cord right here, which when I take it out, it is a proprietary cord that fits on the glasses because the glasses themselves cannot support like normal Type-C, I guess. I thought they did. So there it is right there. Let's see if I can get it in frame. There it is right there. And then these are the glasses. I heard a sound. Oh yeah, and it looks like there's like a, let's see if you guys can see this right here. It looks like there's a little speaker right there, this spot right here. So it's a simple setup to set up these. All you do is you see they're on Bluetooth right there. Right here, View Lite, you just tap it and the glasses will do their thing. It says, would you like to pair with your View glasses? I just hit OK to pair, and I hear all the sounds that's coming from it. And then it is paired already. It says connect to your glasses and then touch controls and just like that. All right, so here they are. They're on now, and they just about work pretty well. By comparison, if you look at my previous glasses that I wore really early on in this channel last year, these are those glasses that broke. As you can see, this corner right here broke off. And just looking at these two glasses here, they're pretty much the same in terms of the width of them. So there's not much of a difference. In fact, I'll put on my kind of broken glasses that has like one eye that's just, I can poke my eye through. They seem to work. These are very light, my original glasses. And then the ones that you guys are used to me actually wearing right here are these in the past couple months since I broke them. And these are like my old glasses from like high school or early college. and these are very tight. These are very tight. Now, jumping into the Vue glasses, on the other hand, in fact, these are really, really good. They feel good, and they have some features in them. So there's an app, which I'll show later on, but the main core feature is obviously music playback, and what is it? You can hang up calls and use your assistant, whether it's an Amazon Alexa or G Assistant. So the way you would do these controls is on, yeah, there you go. These panels right here where you kind of see a logo about right here. You won't be able to see it too well. See if I can zoom in for it to show. Yeah, there you go. So you see the Vue logo. That is the touch button right there. And when you press that, when you hold it down 3 seconds, it shows the Google Assistant. And when you double tap it, you can pause and play your songs and so on and so forth and answer calls. It's an interesting thing. So if I do double tap, I hear a sound in my ear. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And if I want to double tap it again, it pauses my music. Doesn't seem to be any kind of like next song button press. And if I hold down the button, say this is my phone here so you guys can see yourself. Now if I hold down this button here for 3 seconds, yep, and it does show up with Google Assistant, and you can hit always, and then it shows up right there. And it shows up really well. Like the text and everything shows up really well. It's very clear. Now, how good the audio feedback is in terms of the microphone built in wherever this is here, I have no idea, and I'll have to test that over the course of a couple days, / probably a week or two to get back to you guys on it. But so far, it's a good purchase because if you know, typical glasses, they cost like anywhere above about $300 for a typical pair of glasses, and they can be very cheap. You can get them for $50 from your doctor, or you can pay a ton, like $300. That's how much I paid for these glasses here. They were like $300. I believe they're Polo Ralph Lauren glasses. So, and these are just some other brand, and they seem to be working pretty well. They seem to be comfortable. Like they don't pinch into your ears here where it's very annoying. It seems to be really comfortable. And then the nice thing too is because I paid so little for the glasses in their prescription, they literally, it's not, I can buy 2 of these glasses for the price of 1 glasses, which is nice. Unfortunately, returning them to a place to like fix and things like that, that's different. But that's like all tech products. So it turns out there's not too much app support with it, but some of the features to close out the video then to highlight right here on their website is it supports any device that supports Bluetooth 5.0 and above. It also says they have a high fidelity noise cancellation microphone, which again, I'll have to test that in the review later on. You can do hands-free calls. You got a lens that you can get. The battery life is the most important thing. And it says here on the computer, the playback time is 4 hours, which is not too much. And the standby time is 20 hours. So when you're not doing anything with it, that's the standby time. I kind of wish these things had like an 8-hour playback time, because like if I'm on the train to New York from DC area, like I'm from, that trip is not going to be exactly 4 hours, and I may start listening to music as soon as I hit the train or as soon as I hit the bus. So I wish the battery life was bumped up a little bit more. But yeah, this one actually doesn't need the smartphone app. That is for the the regular Vue glasses, not the Vue Lite. Those regular ones support bone conduction. It's not just a little speaker that's sitting in the corner here near my ear. Yeah, that's pretty much what those include. But this does have your assistant. So whichever assistant is default on your phone, these glasses will automatically connect to when it connects to Bluetooth and all that stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So far, they feel comfortable. They feel good. Shaking my head. They don't really move much. My nose doesn't feel cramped like how the other glasses were. So far, so good. You'll see me wearing these in videos long time, hopefully for the next couple years until I switch glasses again or break these. So let me know what you think in the comment section below about these kind of smart glasses. If you want me to look at other smart glasses, because I couldn't find any other video on these specific glasses. I'm not sure why. They were all kind of crappy quality and no one could hear anybody. So yeah, All right, this is Kwaku, and it's Friday. Normally don't make a video these days, but I wanted to get this out to you guys. Take care.